Hello, guys. So my sister-in-law is trying to challenge me. She brought these Cuisinarts, you know, good old Cuisinart to sharpen. So we will give it a whirl. Everybody says, "Oh, you gotta put your clamp in where everything looks whatever." I try to just make sure the blade looks halfway decently straight. And then I always do the marker, you know. Try to find the bevel that's already there and just match it. Why create another bevel? These things are super sharp when you brought them from the store, so let me see if I can find it, match it, and go from there. Just do a little scrape, see where we're at. We're right on the edge. I think I can come down a little bit. Yeah, come down. I want to be more on the, give more of an apex or a bevel. Get more on the bevel. It's kind of hard to tell. Go down. Let's see what this is. Let's see what this is. Use the stone quite a bit. Let me see what it is. What it is. There to there. Up. Set the scale. There. If I actually set this to a 15-degree angle. This is gonna come way up. I ain't super sure how to read that thing. Let me try this one. This one is supposed to be able to just mount it to the thing. Mount it to that. Touch there, touch there. Take your blade. Go all the way from the to the rest. I believe that's how this thing's supposed to work. Go to the rest. You lock this part down like that, and then you bring it up, right? No. You bring it down to where you're at the angle you're looking for. I can't believe that's that low. Holy crap. All against my rest. Holy crap, that's pretty low. Are you sure? Am I doing this right? Well, that says now that's at a 10-degree angle. Oh, maybe I'm not doing it right. Okay, we'll bring it back up. We do it 15 on both sides. I suppose that's supposed to be 15. Kind of weird, but that's okay. I've never seen how that works. We will give it a whirl. Give it a whirl. Add a little more water. Water helps keep the friction down. Keeps the coolness in the blade. Alright, let's have at it. See what we got going on here. Alright. A little noisy. I don't like noisiness. Roughen it up a little bit. Baby grit right there. I know I got a lot of light right here. This light is high bright, but I want it that way so I can actually see, you know, the edge while I'm grinding. But yeah, will do. It'll do. Uh-oh. Bastard. That's why they say don't use freaking these things. These things will freaking kill you. Fucking stupid ass string. Luckily I'm strong enough to freaking pull back out. You see that? See that freaking thing got sucked right in there? Holy crap. Uh-oh. My machine loosened up on me. That's okay. It happens. We just knock it back up. Call her good. Yeah. Now I know why they say, hey, don't freaking wear anything that's gonna catch on your tools because that will suck you in. Luckily, it wasn't, you know, super fast because that would have freaking really sucked. So, I overpowered it. But it could have freaking sucked me right into the freaking stone and I could have been really hurting. Be cautious of what you're doing when you're doing this stuff. It might look like it's pretty simple and easy to do, but reality is this is dangerous. You can hurt yourself. You can cut yourself wide open if you're not paying attention. Not that hard to do. Safety first, I guess. Always think of being safe. A lot of times I think these things were done at a super sharp angle for reason. Ooh. Slow your roll. Slow your roll. Okay, now we'll smooth it out a little bit. hear the difference from one to the other. Much quieter with the thinner grit. Hard to believe is that, you know, those diamond stones there do that. Because they can actually just change the tone of the whetstone. It's just bizarre. So amazing on how quiet it basically quiets that stone down. Quiets it right down. Nice and soothing. Just like relaxing. Back and forth. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Back and forth. Look at the bevel. Kind of bit in a little harder back here on the heel. Oh. Yeah. You get in there. Getting there. Okay, I'm gonna count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Flip it over, do the same thing. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright. Here's that. Right there. I gotta get the light just right. It's hard to see, but I believe it's right there. Okay. With that being said, next task is my buddy over here. My good quick buddy. Quick buddy. I know. I zoom way in. But My quick buddy, fire this back up. Yes. This is basically a leather wheel with some compound on it. It's going the opposite direction. And I just run that way right across the edge there. Try to stay as close to the apex as possible. Couple passes on that side, flip it over. Couple passes on this side. I can still feel burr on this side. Yeah, felt the burr. I don't feel the burr no more. Let me do it one more time. Alright. Super. Nice. Nice. Oh. Okay. Focus will hurt. Anyway, I haul and clean them out. Like I said, I need to invest in a camera that auto focuses on everything I do. Cause it's kind of a pain in the butt when you're trying to do stuff and you gotta monkey with the camera, readjust the camera, do every freaking thing, get the camera freaking whatever, blah blah blah. I'm like, come on now. But there you go. As you can see, after I get it all clean, whatever, and I got the power leather well, everything, can't debuffer, or not really, deburring leather. Run that on the edge, feel for the burr. The burr's completely gone. Then you can run your thumb and you can feel that edge just grabbing your skin. It's sharp. It will hurt you. I think she'll be happy with that. She'll be like, oh my. like, oh, thank you, Grandma. Thank you. This is what I do. I just tape the edge. No sleeve for this one. So I just tape them. That way, so in transportation or whatever, they don't get dull. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.